In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an event in Google Calendar. Let's keep this simple and clear. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you're looking at the right calendar. Once the calendar loads, navigate to the date of the event you want to remove. You can switch between month, week, or day view to make the event easier to spot, and the search bar at the top can help if your calendar is busy. When you've found the event, you're ready to remove it. Click the event to open its details pop-up. This small window shows the title, time, and any guests or notes attached to the event. Look for the trash can icon, which represents delete. Click that icon to start the removal. If it's a single, one-time event, you'll likely be asked to confirm the deletion. Confirm, and the event will disappear from your calendar. If the event repeats, you'll see options asking whether you want to delete only this instance, this, and following events, or the entire series. Choose the option that matches your intention. For example, if a weekly meeting is cancelled only next week, select just that instance. If the whole series is no longer needed, remove all events in the series. Taking a second to choose carefully helps prevent accidental removal of future meetings. If the event has guests, deleting it as the organizer typically sends a cancellation notice to attendees, which helps everyone stay in sync. If you're not the organizer, you might see an option to remove it from your own calendar rather than fully deleting it for everyone. That's normal. Only the organizer can delete the event for all participants. A quick tip: after deleting, you may see a brief undo prompt near the bottom of the screen. Use it right away if you remove the wrong item by mistake. Also, if you don't see the trash can icon, it could be because you don't have permission to edit that event, or it's on a calendar you only have view access to. In that case, you can usually remove it from your personal view, but the original event remains for others. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, click the event, and hit the trash can to delete. With these details and a bit of caution on recurring events, you'll keep your schedule tidy and accurate in just a few clicks.